Effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Knox, Licking, Morrow, and Muskingum. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening to NOAA West at 15 hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I'm trying to do my homework, so I'll just bring this in with me now.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted.
Let me do homework in peace.
Cardington, Edison, Fulton,
I don't know why it's has the flash on.
Here.
Thank you.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Licking County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harbor Hills, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Buckeye Lake, Harbor Hills, Granville South, Interstate 70 at State Route 37, Interstate 70 at State Route 13, Hebron, Granville, Newark, Alexandria, Heath, Martin, Fairfield Beach, Hanover, and Thornport. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 125 and 138. Now here is the official National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, southeastern Muskingum County, western Noble County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles south of Caldwell, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Coshocton County, north. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m. and Dillon, located 6 miles east of town. Streaming royalties. Since the Iranian fight. I don't know if you can. Minute delay. Church across the Ohio Valley until the sun. Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dressing, Frazee, Pleasant The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newark, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters reported hail to 1 inch in diameter in Newark. Impact, minor damage to vehicles. Football. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Licking County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newark, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters reported hail to 1 inch in diameter in Newark. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Newark, Hanover, St. Louisville, Toboso, Fredonia, Purity, Utica, Fallsburg. My computer career
40 G20.
Through the big, beautiful.
That's expensive.
On stage twerking with addiction.
Well, what if that is goals.
Southwest winds surround.
Hear that from his lady? One guy, he got that. I'll tell you what he did. I'm Lori here at King Love. I love to pass along this little relationship.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morrow County, southern Knox County, until 6 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newark, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Gambier, Utica, Centerburg, Sparta, Martinsburg, and Bladensburg. Now here is the official national... is in effect until late tomorrow morning. Minor flooding gets forecast for the Scioto River near Larue. 12 feet. Flooding occurs in the area south of the Larue. Roads irrigated include Ninth Street.